What's up, and welcome back to the channel. For those that are new here, my name is Taylor, and this is the 907 Fantasy Sports page. Let's go over some of the wins from yesterday. We just had a few ones. The Ole Miss Rebels, that one hit for us. Wasn't a huge payday, but that was a nice win for us. And then if you're on the Winible here, it's winnable.com/907 Fantasy Sports. You can come here, and if you even just subscribe to the free plan, that's going to get you all these plays. So these are just a few of the winners from yesterday that were sent out on Winible. The free play from yesterday ended up losing. Baron Morton, he came back in the second half, and he played less than a minute. He played one drive, got injured on that drive, tried to rush the ball, didn't slide, got rocked, and he was out the rest of the game. So that slip ended up losing. So that was a real bummer for us there, because if he wouldn't have played in the second half, we would have got the reboot there. It is what it is, though. And then this one I sent out a little bit later on the Winnable. So this one was a nice little double up, 5 into 11 with Mateer. Glasnow was a discounted pick over on PrizePicks, and then Sawyer Robinson over on passing. And then this was another one that was sent out to VIP, Chris Brazel, Malik Washington, and Caleb Douglas, all over either passing, receiving, or receptions. So once again, you can get all that on the free plan over here on Winnable. If you use the code 907 Fantasy on either the VIP Gold, that's $149 a month, or the Week Pass, $47 a week, or the full season pass, if you use the code 907 Fantasy, that's going to get you 50% off of all three of those plans. So take advantage of that. So let's dive in and let's build us a slip for today. So let's go over here to the board. Those were from yesterday. And let's go here to NFL. So two plays that I am loving for today. So coming over here, I'm loving a couple different players here. And we'll go over money lines for a couple teams that I'm hitting today that I love the matchups there. Even if we go over here to ESPN and we look up the matchups for today, there's a few that are going to be great for us. Let's go here to schedule. Green Bay, Cleveland. I'm liking Green Bay. Money line there. Cleveland's just a bad team. They've always been a horrible team. Indiana, don't really care there. Minnesota and Cincinnati is an interesting one. They're both playing with backup quarterbacks. Pittsburgh, New England, Philly Rams, Tampa Bay. I like Tampa Bay here. I think they're going to be able to handle New York. And then Atlanta, Carolina. This is the one. I'm hammering Atlanta, taking them on the money line, putting a full unit on Atlanta there to win that game. I'm loving Bijan this year. He's been doing fantastic, especially with Penix throwing to him. It's just been a good duo there. And then the other one is Seattle, New Orleans. New Orleans played their first two games at home. They're probably the worst team in the league, and they lost both of those games. Now, going to Seattle, Seattle's been playing pretty good. So I'm loving Seattle, money line here. The connection between Darnold and Smith and Jigma has actually been great so far this year. He's been feeding him consistently, so we'll be looking at some of those props as well. But I love this one here. Take Seattle money line, and then take Atlanta money line. Either you can do those singular or match them up in a little parlay there. But I love those two. And then Kansas City is a third one that I could see being another good one there. There's no way Kansas City is going to lose to New York. Yes, they are playing on the road, but Kansas City is also 0-2 to start the year. So they're going to come out hungry. They're going to come out firing. I like Kansas City in this position as well. So if we come back over here, let's go and let's build us a lineup for the free pick for today. So we're looking for Bijan here. Rushing, I like his rushing plus receiving better. Where is rushing plus receiving? Am I just missing this? Passing, rush attempts. It's a combo. We just want the singular rush plus. Oh, here we go. I'm blind. Okay, rushing plus receiving. Let's find Bijan here. We're going to take Bijan over 90. We've been hitting that very consistently. Let's see if he has any other alt lines. I'd even take him over 100. But we'll take him over 90 here. So, over 90. That's the first leg. Jonathan Taylor, I like him, but I like him more just for rushing. So we can put him in here. Rushing, Jonathan Taylor. 92.5 versus Tennessee. Let's see if he's got any. I don't really love any of those alt lines, so we'll keep it here at 92.5. And then we're going to come back over here and we're going to go receiving, and we're going to find Smith and Jigba. So scrolling down here. Right here, 73.5. I like that line there. I'm going to put 5 on that. So that is the free pick for today. Bijan Robinson over 90 rushing plus receiving yards. Jonathan Taylor 92.5 rushing yards. Smith and Jigba over 73. Let's even see what his lines are. 59. So we can do a 60. But he's been getting over 100 with Sam Darnold as quarterback. So we're going to take that one. 5 into 1875 for a nice little triple up there. So that is the free pick for today. And then there's a couple more plays that I really like today. Atlanta Falcons, like I said, you can use the code Rebet. Use the link down in the description, or not use the code, but you can go over on Rebet. Use the link down in the description below to get signed up. They're going to give you $100. But I like this one, Atlanta Falcons on the money line here. Another one that I like is they're over on BETR. Use the link down in the description below again if you're not on BETR. They're going to hook you up there. But Justin Jefferson, they've discounted him to 56 receiving, matching that up with 60 rushing yards for Bijan. Nice little double up our money there. And then the other one here, game winner, Moneyline, Seahawks, taking that one all day. So, like I said, if you want any of the plans, they're 50% off with the code 907fantasy right now for the VIP Gold, full week pass, and just the season pass. If you don't want to get any on any of those, go ahead and get on the free plan. That's where I send out multiple free plays, especially as the games are going on. I'll send out a few more free ones. So go ahead and get on that. Good luck with all of your plays today. If you guys like the video, drop a like on the video. That really helps me out. But like I said in the last video, this isn't the channel if you're looking for somebody that's betting $2,000 to $15,000 a bet. That's just not who I am. Be betting $5, $10 a play. That's more. I feel like that's more relatable to a lot of people than people betting $2,000 to $15,000 a bet. So if you guys don't like it, don't watch it. But that's just what that's who I am. So good luck with all your plays today, and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace.